In case you're trying to log in into Netflix from your phone and you don't remember the saved password on your PC, don't worry, we've got your back. In some websites, you have this pretty little eye icon to your right in which you can see the password. But in case of Netflix, I don't have one. There's a cool trick to find out your password, but firstly, I'm gonna go through the conventional way. This process seems to be a little time consuming as you also have to enter the desktop password. And if you can't remember your desktop password, you're the unluckiest. But I ain't. I got my password here. And here comes the actual trick that I wanted to show you all. Put the cursor in your password, right click and go into inspect. All you have to do is to type in words instead of password in the type section. Click enter. You can now see your password being displayed in the text field. Don't try to log in from my ID and password, it would be a waste as I haven't still renewed the subscription.